Hello friends, welcome back to the Vine video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys a Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys a Realme phone guys shortcut setting. And today video title is guys how to take 3 finger screenshot on Realme phone device. Friends, you want to use your 3 finger screenshot setting on your Realme phone device, so how to take and how to use 3 finger screenshot on Realme phone device one by one and step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friend, first of all open your Realme phone setting, and friends you want to take 3 finger screenshot. So friends you cannot take. First of all guys, you will have to on your 3 finger screenshot from your tools setting. Click here. Friends, you want to use your navigation setting, you can use your navigation setting on your Realme phone device. Friends, click on screenshot. Friends, you can see guys 3 finger swipe down setting to take a screenshot. Click here and friends come back. Friends, now you want to take a screenshot on your Realme phone device. Use your 3 finger and friends swipe down here and you can use guys your 3 finger screenshot, and friends click on screenshot. Friends, you want to edit a screenshot on your Realme phone device, so you can edit a screenshot also. Friends, you want to mark here screenshot, so guys click here and you can mark here also your screenshot. Friends, click on crop option. Friends, you want to crop your screenshot, so you can crop your screenshot. And friends, click on edit option, click here. And friends, you want to add any tags on your screenshot, so friends click here and you can add. So guys I will add here screenshot, add it and save. Friends, you want to change this color, so you can change color also. You can select color and you can edit screenshot and right click here. Friends, screenshot will save on your device. Friends, click here and friends you can use your screenshot on your Realme phone device. Friends, you can see screenshot will save. Friends, you want to send, so you can send guys your screenshot. Friends, you want to again edit, you want to delete. And friends, if you click here 3 dot, friends you can see rename option, move option. Friends, click on rename. Friends, you want to rename your screenshot, so you can rename also screenshot and you can rename. And friends, you want to hide, so you can hide. Friends, you want to set this screenshot wallpaper on your device, so you can set wallpaper guys, apply here. And so home and lock screen, you want to set wallpaper, so you can set wallpaper also. So friends, I will cancel it. So like that friends, we can use 3 finger screenshot. And friends, you don't want to take a screenshot with 3 finger, so friends you can offer 3 finger screenshot. And friends, you can see we cannot use guys 3 finger screenshot on Realme phone device. So like that friends, we can take a screenshot with 3 finger on Realme phone device. So guys I will on it. And friends, you can take a screenshot with touch and hold with 3 finger, power and volume down button. You can take a screenshot also. So bye friends, thanks for watching.